This is a short instructional video to show you how to log into the Facility Services Maximo database and review project work orders related to laboratory areas. To log in, type in your username and password and hit the sign in button. This will lead you to your dashboard, your home base, and the facilities work orders check query is the list of work orders assigned to your group to be reviewed. If you have multiple work orders, hit the green arrow to open the full list into the database where you can work with it. Click on any work order number to review a project. You'll review the summary and the project details in these boxes. And you can also review attachments by hitting the attachment icon, View Attachments, and if there are any attachments listed, they'll be there, and you can just click on them. If you determine that the project should be completed by facilities, go down to the assignment details and change the work group to CSC and hit Tab. After you hit Save, the little icon at the top of the screen, this will route the work order back to the customer service center and they can process it from there. To go back to your list of work orders, you can hit List View and go on to the next work order to be reviewed. Once you've reviewed the work order, and if you determine that the project should be completed by Capital Programs and Real Estate Services, you can change ownership to Campus FM Track. To change the owner, go to the icons at the top, hit Select Owner, hit Filter, and under Person, type in Campus FM Track. Select Owner Campus FM Track. And once you've selected that, that will send this work order over to the FM Track database. Once that work order hits the database, you can come back here into your screen and cancel this work order by going up and changing status. Hit Canceled, hit OK, and then you're done with that work order and you can move on to the next by going back to your list view. If you get lost, all you have to do is hit this little home button up here. This will bring you back into work orders that need to be reviewed. Because we've already completed the work orders that were in here, there's none in the list to be reviewed at this time. Thank you very much. Please contact us at maximo@ucsf.edu if you have any questions.